Good morning, sugar and sweeties! Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another video na naman na share ko sa inyo. So, let's do it! Alright, so our cakes for today is a vanilla chiffon cake flavor. So we will be making a 2-tier customized Hello Kitty cakes. So the bottom tier has 8 by 10 inches size, and our top tier has 6 by 4 inches around size. So this is our first cake. And our second cake has also 8 inches round size with 10 inches cake board. The same with our third cake. Alright, so we will move on to our cake frosting. So I have here boiled icing or Italian meringue frosting. So since our cake has 8 by 10 inches size, so I'm using 10 by 14 styrofoam board. So since I don't have a B board for now, so I'm using styrofoam. So this time I'm going to cover the cake with icing on both sides. Alright, so once the cake is fully covered with the icing, so we have to level the top of the cakes like this one, and I'm using scraper again for the sides to finish it easily. And then I'm going to have a little design of the sides, so I have a comb scraper for this one like this. See that? And then once it's done, so I'm going to put this ones first aside, and then I'm moving on to the next cake. So this is the first coat for this cake, and then later on we will be putting this a peach color and a rosette design on the top. So basically, we're putting icing to fully cover the whole cake like that. Then clean the sides and the top. So that's it. And then we will be mixing a peach color. So Georgina peach, just a little drop, and then mix. Then apply to a cake as a second coat. Make sure that the cake will fully covered with this color, and then use scraper again to clean the sides, and again I use comb scraper for the design of the sides and then clean the top. So that's it. And for the rosette design on top, so I use 2D icing tip, or if you don't have it, you also use 1M or any big icing tip if you have. So that's a simple piping for the rosette. So this is a simple design again. Easy and quick design cake. So it's done. So let's move on to our next cake. Then put again the icing and then sides. So once it's fully covered, clean it again with a scraper. Then level the top. So once it's done, I used Christmas red for this one. So this will be a light pink color result. Like that. So for the drip, I have orange color whip it poured with red, Christmas red color and hot water, then mix. So that's the result of our drip. So that's it. And for the top again, we will be designing again a rosette design using 1M. So that's simply as that. See? So on this one, we will back to our customized Hello Kitty cake. So the request of the customer is a light blue color and pink color. So as you've noticed, our bottom tier has already a dowel. And what I'm doing here now is I'm layering the cake and then putting the border cake design using 1M. And for the final enhancement of the cake, I put a little line of pink color because the request of the customers, it has a pink color. And then putting all the decorations and then the final border lines of the cake. So that's it. This is our finished product. So thank you for watching Sugar It Sweeties. See you again to my next videos. Bye.